Check out some of the recent reviews our CELPIP students have gotten from our 15-hour course. Every time people take this, they score more than 9 in all the modules, which is most likely your requirement too. The reason they get this score is because we first of all guarantee it with our templates, our vocab lists, our shortcuts to get answers, our tips and strategies for all modules which work time and time again, no matter how hard the exam is. You also get 5 real exam-like, very challenging mock tests with answers and explanations that no other course online has, and online courses that you see for free usually are very easy. You go to the real exam, it's much more difficult. This course reflects the real mock tests, just like the real exam. Now, you get a 20% discount for the next 36 hours, which is a massive saving. Wherever you are in the world, you can avail this, and if your exam is soon, this is a great deal for you. Plus, if your exam is next year, that's fine. The course gives you lifetime access, which means you can access it at any time. You can revisit it unlimited amount of times. And one thing that is guaranteed and for sure is your money. If you do not succeed, if you fail, or if you do not see improvement, we will refund you 100% of your money within 30 days. That's how confident we are in this course. Time and time again, it works. 99% students get more than 9 no matter what their level is, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And one key reason we're able to guarantee this is because we include free feedback with this course. So you get the course, you get to book a 45-minute free session with one of our tutors who is a CELPIP expert, and they're going to tell you your level, what you need to do, what you need to practice if you're weak, and if you're ready, they're going to give you the green light. So we take care of you. You don't just get this course and you're left alone. We tell you exactly what you need to pass the exam, which is a huge reason why you're successful. Now, this offer is included in this package only for the next 36 hours with a 20% discount. Check out the coupon code on the screen in the description. Avail it now, use it on the website, and you're good to go.